Okay, guys, I'm going to take you through creating a chop saw cable here. Obviously, you'll have plans upon the end of this video how to do that, so everybody gets a little stuck. All right, so all I've done so far is I've created a new file and named it chop. I'm going to back one more. Okay, so every time I make a piece, I'm going to right click on chop and hit new component. Name components as I go. This will be MDF1. I'll hit OK. So my first piece of MDF sheet, I'm going to lay flat. I'm going to do that with center rectangle because that sets up symmetry later. So hitting center rectangle and having my origin there. I'm going to go ahead and make this 30 inches deep by 25. So I hit tab 25 and hit enter and finish that sketch. I'm now going to extrude this up 0.75 because that's the thickness of an MDF sheet. And I can get a new body. It's its own component. Hit OK. I'm going to immediately adjust this material. So that material is going to be under wood. I'm going to make it medium density fiberboard. Then I'm going to grab it over and hit OK. Now I'm going to create the second one. So to create the second one, I'm going to notice that that's almost 70 something chop. I'm going to right click, hit new component, and this will be MDF2. It's my second sheet of MDF. To do that, I'm going to just copy the first one. So after creating a new component, I'm going to come over here and copy. I'm going to choose this to copy. I'm going to say hit create a copy, and then I'm going to move that up 0.75 and hit OK. So now it's highlighted just on MDF2, but I'm going to go ahead and back up here and hit this circle here next to chop. You can see everything. So that is. So I'm going to go ahead and join these before they move around. So I'm going to go up to assemble and look at as built joint. So I can either click this or hit shift J. But I'm going to hit as built joint. I'm going to touch that one, and make sure that it's a rigid joint. And hit OK. So now look, I'm going to go ahead and right click on this one right now and hit ground so it stays nice and still. And I'm going to add a third sheet of MDF. So to do that, once again, right click, new component, and this will be MDF3. Hit OK. And then I'm going to create a copy. I don't have to do any more work if I have to. And I'll create a copy and move that up. And then I'm going to 0.75. I'll hit OK. And now I have to do my joint. Join everything as I go. If I forget and move stuff later, that would be a bummer. So I'm just going to join that. I'm not sure what I have. Symbol, as built joint. I'll click on that. There's one. There's two. Rigid OK. So there's a MDF top that is 3 sheets thick. Excuse me. Now I'm going to go underneath to my stringers. So that's going to be 2x4 material. So right click, new component. I'm going to draw this right on the bottom of my object, and I'm going to go ahead and do a 2-point or a rectangle. I'm going to do again, I'm going to have on the center, I'm going to do a center rectangle. I'm going to draw this up. That's 30. I'm going to do 27 inches. That gives me an inch and a half on each edge, and you'll see why in a little bit. So the width will be 1.5 inches, and then the length will be 27 inches. I'm going to go ahead and finish sketch, and then I'm going to toggle this a little bit so I have a view, and I'm going to extrude this downwards 3.5 inches. So that's going to come down 3.5 inches. Now a couple things I'm going to do. First, I'm going to rename this stringer 1. Rename. Should be that stringer 1. I'm going to modify its material. This is pine lumber, so that'll be down under wood. And then come down here to pine lumber. And then I'm going to do an as-built joint on the back chop. I'm going to assemble and lock that in place. So I apologize for that. As-built joint. Touch that. Touch that. Okay. All right. So now I'm going to create my other two stringers. So new component. Stringers 2 and 3 are intrinsically linked together. Stringers 2, 3. Okay, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to cheat and pattern this. So I'm going to pattern this rectangular pattern. Switch this to components. And then I'm going to go like axis and bring it up that way. And I'm going to go each way and go symmetrical. So change this to symmetric. I'm going to drag that out to the end. I'm going to go 11 inches looks okay. I'm going to go ahead and hit OK. Now I'm going to lock them in place. Notice that this is pine. The nice thing about cut, I don't have to redo the materials of my company is going to be, so I'm going to do an as-built joint, and I'll click that and hit OK, and then do the other one, as-built joint, click this one and this one, OK. All right, so starting to come together. Let's see the design. Okay, it's going to be a nice 30 strong table. Probably overbuilt a bit, but that's how it goes. All right, so now I'm going to create a component. I'll call this the beam. It's not really a beam, but I'm going to call it a beam, for lack of a better word, beam. All right, so I'm going to go and place that one, the rectangle, and lock from there to, okay, it's not clicking on there. I want that to be exact, so I'm going to right click and cancel. And if I want to lock on something that's not projecting, you can just project it. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to project that point and project that line and that line. And okay, so what that means is it's projected to this drawing. I'll be able to snap to it. So you can see I snapped to there. Now I can snap to that. I'm going to go ahead and finish that sketch. I'm going to extrude that, making sure I click the whole thing since it's not going to know what I'm doing. I'm going to bring that out an inch and a half, 1.5. I'm going to hit OK. And now I'm going to go ahead and modify its material. It doesn't know I want that to be pine. It's 2x4. Alrighty. There. Okay. Join that in position. So assemble as built joint. choose this one. The mirror plane. Notice I can't see the plane that I want to use. I'll use that plane. So I come up to origin, click on that. Drop down, and let's see. I want to use that one. Yes, I do. See how it put me back there. So I need the origin. I couldn't see the vision. I'm going to go ahead and hit OK. And then I'll come back up on that. Look underneath, take a look, make sure I look back. So this right now, if I didn't join it, what's going to happen? Back. So I Control Z with the back, and then lock in place. As built joint. All right, so there's my tabletop. Now I'm going to do some legs. All right, so I'm going to build one leg on the top here. So we'll start with the component. That's going to be leg one. Leg one, I got a lot of scrap 2x4s. That's what I'm working on. So that'll be all right. So leg one is going to fit underneath here. And it'll be two 2x4s. So I have one extend up in. So I'm going to draw here on this is rectangle. I can't snap, so I'm going to project what I want to snap to. Okay. Now I can snap. So it's going to be 2x4 on edge, so that would be 3.5, tab 1.5. So cross section of the 2x4. Finish sketch, and I'll extrude that down. And start thinking about my table height. I want to be 36 inches tall total. This is 2 1/4. So I need to go 33 1/4 down with it. 3.75. Now I'm going to create. Actually, I'm going to create another part of this sketch. This one will sketch on the bottom of that. See how that fits together. So I'm going to go to that corner, 3.5. And there's 1.5 above. I'm going to go in there. I'm going to finish sketch, and rather than doing any sort of mental math, I'm going to extrude this one down as a new component. And then rather than going distance, I'm going to go to object, and I'm just going to extrude that down to the bottom of this one. So what I have here is built up 2x4. That is supporting that table underneath. I'll go ahead and call that my leg assembly. Notice that is two components of the same body that I created. I created that. So I can do it okay at this point. Back to my main. Say this material. That one. This one. Close. Oh. Okay. So now I'm going to go ahead and create leg two. Leg two. So I'm just going to create it in here. Select this one. That one. Mirror plane. There. Okay. See if I join that one. Okay, so I can do it as built joint. Rigid. This one and this one. Okay. Built joint. This one and symbol as built joint. That one. This one. Okay. Now I'm just going to mirror it again, back to back. So legs 3, 4. Create a mirror on mirror again. Slightly this one. Make sure I'll double check, make sure it's there. So I'll go to my mirror plane, drop this down, and hit Xeno. Certainly not that one. How about this one? Yep, that's the one before. I'll hit OK. I'm going to go and constrain those. I should say join those. I'm just going to hotkey Shift J. This one. Shift J. That to that. Okay. 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 So now I have a table that chops all. This will have me in perfect height. Again, I'll probably also make these adjustable. There is the table with your design materials. The next video, I'm going to pull apart and develop some physical drawing for you guys to follow, and you guys are actually looking at drawings so that we can communicate plans well.